Hello viewers, if you want to record your Android screen to capture something on your device or to make your own tutorials, I am from ABMPK channel, and in this video I will be showing you the easiest way to screen record on Android mobile. Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so never you miss any new updates, because whenever I upload new videos. Our favorite screen recording app for Android is AZ Recorder app. You can download it for free from the Google Play Store. So I have already installed in my mobile. Okay, I open this icon and now we are going to app setting option. Okay, I will click on resolution option and I have already set it 1280 by 720. I show as a tick mark. You can also set the resolution as your according video. It's depend on you. What do you want resolution? Okay, go back and click on bitrate option, and I suggest you better leave it on auto only. Now next option I'm clicking here, it's a frame rate. I have selected 25 fps, so it's depend on you which do you want to click, 30 fps or other. I suggest you, if you are a gamer, then 30 fps must select it. Okay, next one is orientation. I have already selected auto. If you want to change it auto landscape portrait, it's depend on you. Next one is time lapse video speed. I cannot show you here because I have recording screen now, but I select it auto always. I show you here different speed parameters here. Okay, go down. Next option is hide the recorder window. I suggest you please keep it off, otherwise this parameter will continue on your screen. Next option is countdown. Before start, please keep it on. Whenever you start recording video, it will show before the 3 seconds of the recording. I show you here as a circle. Okay, next option is the screenshot. So if you want to take screenshot during the video, then always keep this option on. Okay, next one is camera. If you turn on the camera option, this option is so that whenever you can handle it for the tutorial classes. Base camera show here and I blurred it. Okay, we are in the text and logo option, in which you can show any text or statement during screen record. Okay, if I turn on this option, I have already written channel name ABMPK. Now I marked a circle around this text. You can see easily different options show here. Font, text color, background color, text size, etc. If I click show logo on option, you can see logo of this channel. So this way you can have your logo show on a side during video record. Image or video, where do you want to save it? Okay, get out the setting. Okay, I will now tell you how to record video. Play and pause button and a stop button show here. Precaution is that during record video, don't scroll down the page, otherwise this will be the show during videos recording. Okay, thank you.